We're going to discuss about how to get a 30 GB free GPU server. So first we have to go this link, and this is the link when you have to register for training ML models and on free cloud GPUs. So first we have to sign up there. This is the option for sign up. Click here, and now you need a email. So first you have an email to communicate with your server and all the things, because you need a perfect credentials to add your user and all the details. So in every time when you are learning, like you have a limited time to access the server, like 6 hours, 8 hours, 7 hours, whatever. So first we have to create a temporary mail to not stop the learning. So go and this is the temp mail, free website. You can go there and check it out every time a new mail. So first we have to go on our console, paper space. Yeah, this is our console. So what you have to do, first you have to configure the console, and like whatever you want to do, and you want to deploy a GPU server, and like whatever the GPU models and working loads you have to deploy there. This is basically not for production, this is your learning purpose and testing purpose. So first we have to go and check it out the temp mail. Go to the temp mail there, the temp mail disposable mail service. The console is login. Okay, so it's time to accept the fact and the system and take the IP. So there are lots of also like GitHub, Google, all the things. So in my case, I'm just logging about Google. It's taking the little bit of time, so we have to wait for patience. And this is my Gmail. Just confirm. Another option if you want to go the temp mail, but I'm going with my Gmail. Yeah, sounds good. And this is the console of paper space, and this is our console. Now time to enter phone number to verify, and just going to enter my phone number. So I'm just entering my phone number like +91 74786 I think this number is not using before. If using, then yeah, just change it. This number has been already registered. Okay, fine. So we are going for next number. Use another number like different also. This is my another number, so I'm just going to enter that 9749463608. Yeah, sound good. And after that, we have sent the code. Time to enter the code and all the things. Now my code is 7387. Now you are going to onboard with your GPU server. This is my all the credentials. Going to next. the gradient platform building and scaling a real-world machine learning applications. Fully managed cloud GPU platform offering a range of compute and storage, all the things. So I'm going gradient, and I'm in small, I'm all things to just learning up and fill up all things, leveling up my skills. My team size is just me and the country. Uh, you mix enter a name, basically just for whatever name you want to give there. This is not an issue. And exploring the notebooks. Notebooks is your favorite, I mean your GPU. It's prefer you the 30 GB RAM, your core level system and upgradation, all the things. You can testing there your all the GPU services. Yeah, you are now launched to your system and time to create your CPU usage, this kind of modeling your CPU usage, load model, observability, all the things. So now you have to go with create option. In my laptop is low end PC, so it's taking few of time. So what? Now time to what you want to deploy, like PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Rapidus and Gradient. So in below you have an option like I'm choosing the PyTorch. PyTorch is a really good platform interface framework to deploy the applications. And this is the free GPU and a 30 GB RAM, 8 CPU is free. And no time to the timing. What is the timeline of you want your machine still on and your deploy? So I'm just going to put and the 6 hours, and this is my free GPU. I want to select that, and yeah, my system is ready. So this is a free GPU, 30 GB RAM, whatever. This is the free. So I'm going with that, the free one. Um, yeah. So NVIDIA and PyTorch 112. I'm just going with that, and everything is going fine. Your PyTorch is configured, free GPU, 30 GB RAM, 6 hours, and okay. So start the notebook. Now your system is running. Uh, Creating on your GPU server, all the things. Just give me a error warning. The error warning is about DCPU. So I'm going with again to start the notebook. No time to change it 1 hour, and it would be terminate after 1 hour. So try it again. Yeah, this is good. Now we are going to see the GPU server in our screen, the Gradient notebook. I strongly recommended everyone to follow this tutorial for testing the GPU servers, GPU applications, whatever. Basically, this is the main frame for developer to accelerate their programs, their testings, their activities, all the things. So you can choose it by Gradient. We are seeing the actual GPU server looking like that. I mean, we are testing some commands and all the things. Actually, this is working, or this is a fake. All the things we are working now for 2 minutes to check the commands and all the things. And what of the version this Linux has been provided the students. Actually, this is the main frame type of question about what is the Linux version, and actually the Linux command is working right now, and free BSD based operating systems, all the things. And taking some time to load the framework. this is our console terminal. Console come terminal because this is web-based GUI. You're seeing there this is the running mode, PyTorch or machine, and open a new file. All the things are available. Um, Sometimes it's taking some time to open the applications. And now we are going to launch the terminal. This is the terminal console. It's taking just a little bit of time because my networking connection is poor here, and the system is very old. Just a minute. We have to go the terminal point. So there is another option, terminal, and yeah, this is the 1 hour GPU limit, and the console is loading. Oh, just a minute. Just a minute. Click the terminal, and this is your terminal.